In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this unique 3D stitch and it is perfect design for any kind of crochet crafts. Hi, I'm Shabo Reed from hookedandloops.com. I make various kind of craft tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have used 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3 mm. So let's begin. We will take a yarn and make a slip knot with it. We will insert our hook into the slip knot and we will do the foundation chains. The foundation chains will be a multiple of 6 plus 4 chains. So I have done a total of 28 chains, that is 24 plus 4. Chains are done. We are doing plus 4 chains. So this makes a total of 28 chains. We will now begin the first round with a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this round. Then we will yarn over and we will do 1 double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook, and we will do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chains also. So we began this round with 4 double crochets, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet. After that we will be doing a chain 2 and we will be skipping the following 2 chains, and in the next chain we will be doing 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains also. I hope you understood the pattern for this first round. That is chain 2. Skip the next 2 chains, yarn over, and in the following chain we will be doing 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next 3 chains. Okay, and we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. We will quickly complete this round. So done. Now we will begin the next round with a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of this second round. Turn your work, and in each of the next 3 stitches we will be doing 1 double crochet in each one of those. So 4 double crochets are done, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet. Then we will do a chain 2. We will skip the chain 2 space, yarn over and do 1 double crochet in each of the following 4 stitches. And we will repeat this pattern till the end of this round. When you have reached the last double crochet stitch, just yarn over, insert your hook in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of this first round, yarn over and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. Now we will do a color change, so take the contrasting colored yarn and we will yarn over in both the yarn as I am showing you, and pull them through the 2 loops, and the color change is done. We will now do a chain 1 with the white colored yarn followed by chain 4. So a total of chain 5 are done, and turn your work. Yarn over. Now there is a change of pattern now. Yarn over, insert your hook in the chain 2 space of the first round, draw the yarn through it and do 4 double crochets there. Then we will do a chain 2 and yarn over. Again we will be doing 4 double crochets in the chain 2 space of the first round. And we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. Okay? Chain 2 and repeat the pattern. At the end of the last chain 2, we will do a double crochet in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round, followed by a chain 5. And turn your work. We will skip the chain 2 space and we will do 1 double crochet in each of the following 4 stitches. Followed by chain 2 and 1 double crochet in each of the following 4 stitches after skipping the chain 2 space. In this manner, we will repeat this pattern. At the end, after the last chain 2, we will be doing a double crochet in the third chain of the starting chain 5 of the last round. In this double crochet, we will be doing a color change. So draw the yarn over and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over both the yarns and draw them through the last 2 loops. After that, we will do a chain 1 with the purple colored yarn and we will turn our work. We will begin the next round, yarn over, and we will do 4 double crochet stitches in the chain 2 space of the third round. I hope you are understanding the pattern. After that, we will do a chain 2 and then again 4 double crochets in the chain 2 space of the third round. Followed by chain 2, and we will repeat this pattern throughout the round. So we have reached the end of this round. So 4 double crochets in the last chain 2 space of the third round. And this round is completed. We will now begin the next round. That is the 6th round with a chain 3 and turn our work. In the next 3 stitches, we will be doing 1 double crochet in each one of those. Just repeat the second round, okay? we will do a chain 2, skip the next chain 2 space, and in the following 4 stitches we will be doing 1 double crochet in each one of those. And then chain 2 and repeat the pattern. The pattern is really simple and very beautiful. Play with your favorite colors and create a beautiful pattern with this. At the end we will do a color change, so do a double crochet, draw the yarn over, draw the yarn to the first 2 loops, and then yarn over the 2 yarns, pull them through the last 2 loops, and now we will begin the 7th round. So we will do chain 5 with the white colored yarn and turn our work. We will repeat the 3rd round. Okay, so yarn over, and we will be doing 4 double crochet stitches in the 5th round's chain 2 space. Followed by chain 2 and repeat the pattern. At the end of the last chain 2 we will do a double crochet in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round, followed by a chain 5, and turn your work to begin the 8th round, and we will do 1 double crochet in each of the following 4 stitches. Followed by chain 2, skip the next chain 2 space, and 1 double crochet in each of the following 4 stitches, repeating the 4th round. At the end of this round, after the last chain 2, we will do a double crochet in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 5 of the previous round, and we will be doing a color change now. So when you have got 2 loops in the hook, just yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops, and then we will begin the 9th round with a chain 1 with a purple colored yarn, and turn your work and just repeat the 5th round. Okay, we will do 4 double crochet stitches in the chain 2 space of the 7th round, followed by chain 2, and we will repeat this pattern of the 5th round. Chain 2 and complete this round in the same manner. We will do a chain 3 and begin the 10th round. Turn your work and 1 double crochet in each of the following 3 stitches. Followed by chain 2, skip the next chain 2 space, and again 1 double crochet in each of the following 4 stitches, and repeat this pattern till the end of this round. So this is the pattern. So our pattern is complete. This is beautiful, easy, unique, perfect design for purses, blankets. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.